In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access free training in Microsoft Office applications. So I have Microsoft Word open and I'm using Office 365. So to access the free training, just click on Help and on the left side, click on Show Training. So it pops up here on the right side. So here's the Word for Windows training. And you can scroll down here and there are different topics. So for example, I'm going to click on Layout Pages. I have different skill topics here. So I'm going to click on Change Margins. And there's a video here where you can click and it will open up in the browser. And also it gives you step-by-step instructions. And you can also read the article in the browser just by clicking on it. So I'm going to click on this one, add a border to a page, and as you can see, it's step-by-step instructions here. I'll click on this option here, create a table of contents, and again here are step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to click on this one, insert a page break, and there's a tutorial video here. I can click on the play icon here and the video will play in Microsoft Word. So these tutorial videos are very short videos. Underneath the video are step-by-step instructions. So these training tutorials are also available in Excel. I just have to click on Help, click on Show Training, and these are the Excel video training. I can click on Quick Start, click on Create a Workbook in Excel, and this is a tutorial video that you can play. Now if you would like to look for a particular topic, you can type it here in the search help section. For example, embed video, and here are some of the results. There's also show more, and you can click on any one of these and it gives you step-by-step instructions. So if I click on this one, collaborate in Excel, so these are the step-by-step instructions that anyone can follow. I'll click on this one, tables and charts, so it gives a list of topics here. I'll click on the first one, and this is a tutorial video and also step-by-step instructions. So I can also access the free training in PowerPoint by clicking on Help, click Show Training, and it says PowerPoint for Windows training, and there's a lot of topics here. I just click on any one I would like, and I can also use the search help section here. I can just type embed video and there are step-by-step instructions here. I'll click on this one, animation, video and audio, animate text or objects, and there's a short tutorial video here. So this is a great feature in Microsoft Office applications. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.